Ready to see what IKEA has in store for spring 2026? Let's dive into the coziest and most inspiring new finds together. First up, the living room showrooms are absolutely dreamy. I'm loving this new minimalist coffee table and these versatile storage shelves. The spring home decor this year is all about bringing nature indoors. Think soft textures, earthy ceramics, and fresh floral accents. And this bedroom setup? It's pure tranquility. This new bed frame and the soft layered linens create the ultimate cozy retreat. For the dining room, they've nailed modern functionality. This extendable table is perfect for small spaces but looks incredibly chic. Living in a small space? IKEA's new storage ideas are game changers. Every piece is designed to maximize your area beautifully. You can't forget about lighting. These new fixtures are not just functional, they're stunning statement pieces that warm up any room. And here are my absolute favorite finds. This cute planter, these gorgeous glasses, and this incredibly comfortable chair. I want it all. It's amazing to see how these trends come together to create such inspiring and livable spaces. Thanks for shopping with me. I hope you found some modern home inspiration for your own space. See you next time.